Okay, here comes number two. Here comes number two, Freddy. Oh, got it good. Num, 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 num. Is that enjoyable? Yeah? One more? This is Fred. He's one of my critters. I got him for my birthday. And he's just getting big enough that it's, oh yeah, get back, you crazy snake. He's just getting big enough now that, not my fingers, that, doopsie. Fred, don't you be crazy. There's the mouse. Okay. Now just the mouse, not my fingers. Alright, so probably missed most of that. But that was feeding Fred. And oh, he's mad. He's rattling his tail. He wants more. No, no, no. You're going. No. Fred, no. You stay in your cage. Okay. See, at this point, he would eat my fingers. I don't know if it hurts or anything, but he doesn't really have teeth. It's just kind of little pointy, tiny, tiny little things. He's just a tad bit agitated right now, as you can tell. So that's Fred. He is my pet corn snake. He's an albino corn snake. So anyway, Spike Bob, 59. It's just another one of my critters. Right, Freddy? He's just one of my critters. He's just a little PO'd for some reason.